Hi guys, I just want to share how I did this dragon design in my aquarium. I got the concept when I stumbled upon a photo of a dragon figure inside the aquarium and it was made from dragon stone, so I was challenged to create the same. First thing that I did is to check the local pet store if they have the materials that I needed. Luckily, there was a dragon stone that I can buy. So the skull is from online stores. So I got it after few weeks because it was from other country. So upon receiving it, I put it together with the dragon stone and play with it so I can figure out what will be the outcome of my project. So I stuck it together and created the figure of a dragon. So it's just a draft. I will chip and crack the stone so it will fit the design that I want. So on this stage, I'm already gluing the stones. So as you can see, the stones is not that big compared earlier that it was a block of a dragon stone. So that's how I glue the dragon. So the glue that I'm using is a cheap glue. So this is for temporary only because I will reglue it using the aquascaping glue. So this is after gluing the stones. So I already have the whole body of the dragon. So on this part, I'm brushing it with a silicone so the sand will stick to it. But I found it later that this is not a good practice because when the janitor fish sucks the dirt on the stones, on the sand, it gets carried away so it washes the sands. So on this part, I already added the sand on the head of the or into the skull, and also I'm adding small stone to finish the head so it will blend into the body. Okay, so this is not part of the original plan or original concept, but when I dropped by to a local aquatic store, I saw this drip food where it resembles a wing. So I break it into two and put in the back of the dragon, see if it blends, and voila, it perfectly blends. It's like a wing of a dragon. So on this stage, we're going to add plants. So this is Anubias. I will put it in the dragon so it will look more like natural. So I am using gel glue here to attach the plants to the driftwood. So here I'm adding a moss. I'm using gel glue here to attach the moss so that the wings may look like it's been stationed for a long time, that the moss already grew there. So it's like a sleeping dragon. Trimming the excess moss because it will just fall up and clog the pump. So here's the final output. I hope you like the video. Please like and share. Thank you.